Hello everybody, it's Miss Kelly here. I know many of your children are working really hard during OSL on their phonics. They're learning new sounds and they're practicing the sounds in their reading and their writing. Today I'm putting a very short video together for you showing you Phase 2 phonics. We're going to look at the letter names and the letter sounds. Join me tomorrow for Phase 3 phonics. Okay, let's get started. Okay, Phase 2 phonemes are divided into 5 sets. We start with the easiest letters first, and the first letters that you can put together to make a word. For example, s-at, sat. We're going to work through all 5 sets, and we're going to have a look at the letter names and their sounds. Okay. Say them with me. S, s, a, t, P, 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 I, N, 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 M, M, D, 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 G, 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 O, O, C, K, 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 C and K together, K, K, E, U, R, R, H, B, F, 2 F's together, L, 2 L's together, and 2 S's together. Okay, that's Phase 2. If you find it helpful, you can have a little look on YouTube for Jolly Phonics Phase 2. And the Phase 2 sounds are shown to you with the songs that go with them, and your children will be familiar with them if you'd like to look at it together. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to join me tomorrow for Phase 3 phonics. Thank you, bye-bye.